Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the phone number of your Amazon account. If you don't use a current number that you've added in previously, in this video, let me show you how you can add in the new number. So with that said, let's get right into the video without any further ado. Open up your web browser and search for amazon.com and then log into your Amazon account. Once you are logged in, just hover over accounts and list and head over to account. Inside of accounts, you'll see an option called login and security. You can click on it and you may need to type in the password of your Amazon for security. Tap on sign in. Now it's going to show you your name, email address and the mobile number that you added in. To change the mobile number, you just need to click on edit and type in the new number that you want to add in. But before that, make sure you select your country code as well and type in the new number. Once that is done, you can click on continue and a verification code will be sent to the new mobile number that is entered. And in the next section, you just need to type in the code that has been sent to the mobile number that you just entered in. Once you enter in the code, your phone number or the new phone number will be successfully added to your Amazon account. So that's how easily you can add in or change phone number on your Amazon account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.